Hello, everyone. Welcome back. I'm Emma.
And I'm Leo. Hi, everybody. We're really happy you're here with us today.
Yes, we are. Leo, how are you feeling right now?
I'm feeling good, thank you. A little cold, actually.
Cold? Oh, is the weather cold at your place?
Yes, it's a bit chilly this morning. I'm wearing a sweater.
Really? Here it's warm. The sun is shining and the sky is clear.
Wow, lucky you. I wish I had sunny weather today. My place looks cloudy and gray.
Cloudy mornings can feel slow and sleepy, right?
Yes, exactly. When it's cloudy, I feel like staying in bed.
So tell me, did it rain last night?
Yes, a little. Not too much. Just light rain. How about your place?
No, no rain here. It was warm even at night. I slept with a fan on.
That sounds nice. Warm nights are comfortable, but sometimes too hot.
Yes, sometimes. But today it's perfect. So, what's the weather like right now at your window?
Let me check. Give me a second. Okay, so the sky looks mostly cloudy. The wind is a little strong. The trees are moving a lot.
Strong wind. Oh, be careful if you go outside.
Don't worry, it's not dangerous wind, just normal windy weather.
Still, windy mornings always make my hair crazy.
Mine too, especially when I forget to comb my hair.
Same here. So, do you think it will rain later?
Probably in the afternoon. The weather app says 80% chance of rain.
That's high. Do you like rainy days?
Sometimes yes, sometimes no. I like rain when I'm at home. It feels cozy.
Yes, rainy days at home are the best. Hot tea, music, and the sound of rain. Perfect.
Exactly. But rainy days when you need to go out? Terrible.
I agree. Getting wet shoes is the worst thing.
Yes, wet shoes and wet socks. So uncomfortable.
So if it rains today, what will you do?
I think I'll stay home and read a book. What about you?
I might go for a walk later because the weather is so nice here.
Sunny walk? That sounds refreshing.
It is, and the air smells so good after sunrise.
I love that fresh morning smell, especially after rain.
Yes, after rain, everything smells clean.
True. You know, the weather changes so much these days.
Yes, sometimes it feels like summer and winter in the same week.
Exactly. Yesterday it was hot here, and today it's cold.
Same happened last week with me. I wore a jacket in the morning and I was sweating by afternoon.
Weather is very unpredictable now.
Yes, and because of that, we have to check the weather forecast every day.
Do you check it every day?
Yes, every morning. It helps me choose clothes.
I also check it, but sometimes the weather app is wrong.
Yes, that happens. It says sunny, but suddenly rain starts.
We should create our own weather forecast.
That would be funny. Hello, everyone. Today may be sunny, maybe rainy, maybe windy. We don't know.
Yes, that is 100% accurate.
So, Leo, what is your favorite type of weather?
Hmm, I think I like cool weather. Not too cold, not too hot. Around 20 degrees.
Yes, that's the best. Comfortable and peaceful.
What about you?
I love sunny weather with a light breeze.
Oh, sunny with breeze is perfect for picnics.
Yes, picnics, long walks, photos, everything looks beautiful in sunlight.
True, but too much sun can be tiring.
Yes, especially in summer.
Summer heat is difficult.
Last summer, I felt like melting. It was 40 degrees.
Oh, wow, that's very hot.
Yes. What about winter? Do you like winter?
I like winter only when it's mild, not extreme cold.
Same. I don't like freezing weather.
Me neither. I cannot feel my hands when it's too cold.
And cold wind on your face is painful.
Yes, but winter food is nice.
True. Hot soup, warm clothes, cozy blankets.
Yes, winter evenings are special.
What weather do you hate the most?
Stormy weather. Thunder, lightning, it scares me.
Same. Every time there is thunder, I jump.
I close my eyes and wait for it to stop.
Do you like snow?
I've never seen real snow.
Really? Oh, it's beautiful. White everywhere.
I want to experience snow one day.
You should. It feels magical, like a movie.
I hope I can travel someday to a snowy place.
I'm sure you will. So, what weather did you have last week?
Last week was crazy. 3 days of heavy rain, then 1 day of hot sun, then 2 days of strong wind.
That is crazy. My week was also mixed. Hot, cold, hot, cold.
Weather mood swings.
Yes, like the weather is confused.
Speaking of mood, does the weather affect your mood?
Yes, sunny weather makes me happy and active.
Me too. And rainy weather makes me sleepy.
You know what makes me feel lazy? Foggy weather.
Oh, yes, foggy mornings are slow.
Everything looks quiet and still.
Sometimes I like fog because it feels peaceful.
True, but driving in fog is scary.
Yes, visibility is low.
So today you said it's windy and cloudy, right?
Yes, the clouds are moving fast. Maybe rain will come soon.
If it rains, send me a picture.
Sure, and if it stays sunny there, you send me a picture.
Deal.
Weather makes conversations interesting.
Yes, because everyone experiences it every day.
True. Even if you don't have anything to talk about, you can always talk about the weather.
Exactly. How's the weather is the easiest conversation starter.
And learners can practice a lot with weather words.
Yes. Sunny, rainy, cloudy, windy, stormy, hot, cold, warm, cool. So many simple words.
Beginners can improve English very fast with weather topics.
And they can practice speaking every day by describing the sky.
Yes, for example, today the sky is blue, or today it's raining.
Very simple, very useful.
So, everyone, try to describe your weather every morning.
Yes, take 10 seconds, look out your window, and speak one sentence.
It will help build confidence.
Exactly.
My weather is changing again. I hear wind getting stronger.
Oh, really? Stay inside then.
Yes, I will. What about you?
It's still sunny, but I can see small clouds coming.
Maybe you'll get rain later.
Maybe. Weather surprises us.
Yes, it does.
Okay, everyone. Thank you so much for listening to our conversation today.
We hope you learned some new weather phrases.
Try to use them in your daily speaking practice.
And tell us, what's the weather like right now where you live?
Sunny, cloudy, rainy, windy?
We want to know.
Thank you for being here with us.
Have a wonderful day.
And stay safe in any weather. Bye.
Bye, everyone.